All right, good evening. Happy Friday. This is James here, and this is my day 8 for my daily recap of my small account options challenge. Please excuse the commentary in the background. My kids have game night tonight. So, I placed 3 trades today, one for a loss, one for a gain, and swinging one into Monday. So my first trade was on MU this morning at 6:51. So I was watching it, out of the open here, and I got in here on this candle. I was actually playing it. Sorry about that. I entered here on this candle, 7:51. I was playing it off the 20 moving average on my Bollinger Band setup here. I got a red candle, my RSI was coming down. I had all indication that it was going to continue to drop at least for a low day test, and that's what I was shooting for, was going to get out. As luck goes, or doesn't go for that matter, after I entered it, it immediately reversed on me, and I was out on this candle here at 7:01. Kept my losses low, limited it to 13% loss. But can't win them all, right? So the next trade I entered was Facebook. I know some of the members also took this one and got a better percent return than I did. So I was watching Facebook and I entered it at 7:19. So I was playing another scenario just like Micron. I was watching it here as it came back down, and I entered in anticipation of the bounce off the 20 moving average, and it did not do that. So not only did it not bounce, but it continued to test low of day. I was okay with that, as the next candle actually bounced back up. I saw the momentum come in here, so I decided to stay into that. It then channeled sideways for a good hour, and I actually had to leave and didn't get out until 8:49. I was on the road when it happened, but I got out pretty much at where the close of yesterday was. Had I still been able to watch it in chat, I would have wrote it up a little higher, and I know this is where some of the members was able to score a bigger percentage than me. So after that, that was about a 10% gain. After that, I went and entered AMD. This was an end of day call, saving my funds for possible Friday fade on SPY, but I keep coming back to AMD. It's kind of one of my favorite stocks to trade on. And let's see, 10:32. Did I really enter it that early? I did. So I entered it here. It had broke over the 20-day, and that's where I decided to watch it. The candle was actually green, and by the time I entered, it started to come back down. It was a much smaller position than normal, so I was okay. It was kind of traveling sideways for most of the day after that, so I wasn't in a big rush to get out. It did start to finally make its move up. It tested high a day a couple of times, and I was up about 7% here and was going to get out, had I just hit 10%. 10% is my goal. I always want to get 10%. Did not happen. I actually then changed it to 5%, towards literally the last 4-5 minutes of the day. Did not get a fill. So I'm swinging this one into Monday. I'm okay with that. It's not too big of a deal. It's been going up. It did have a couple of a rebound here, but then it moved up today. So I'm actually playing Monday for another run up. Hopefully maybe we can even get a gap up. That would even be better for myself and some of the other members. So that's where I'm at. As you can see, I really realized only $11, 15 total with the open position. I didn't reach my goal of 750. I should say revised goal. I was shooting for 8. I had it, but I had the bad day yesterday. So I revised it to 750, and Micron screwed me over a little bit on that one, but that's okay. So we're still green. We're up $248 in 8 days on the small account challenge, on our way to 25,000. Thank you.